Things you're doing wrong when looking for a side hustle. And I'm gonna be brutally honest with you, like it or not. This is gonna be a multi-part series, so make sure you follow me so you don't miss any of it. You follow TikTok videos step by step and you think that this is all you need to know. Wrong, my friend. I must confess, I'm guilty of this as well. I created videos, step-by-step guides, but I did left out so many more informations. Same as the other creators. That's why I know it won't work, because I tried it myself and I failed. But I never blamed the side hustle for it. I never said, this don't work or it's a scam. I knew I didn't have enough information, and I knew I must learn more about it if I want to be successful with it and make some money at the end. So if you do see some of these videos, do the research on your own. Don't think that you have all the information needed, and don't expect that it will work. Read more about it, Google more about it, listen to podcasts more about it, enroll in a training. TikTok videos are here only to introduce you in that world, to give you the insight of the opportunities you have in online world. And everything works, don't get me wrong, but you do need education, proper education before you start, no matter what that is, because no side hustle online is easy. Simple, yes. Easy, no. Hope that helps. Which side hustle did you try? If you don't mind sharing, leave in the comments. I really like to know. And if you had any success with it.